Next one is anaerobic respiration. It is a process in which a small amount of energy is released in absence of oxygen from breakdown of food substance, and it take place in yeast, bacteria and in human. Okay, so sometime our muscles also need some extra energy, then these muscles respire anaerobically, okay, to produce more energy. But in this process only a small amount of energy is released. Okay, if you talk about their chemical equation, then the glucose is converted into pyruvate and energy, and then this energy is converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and 2 ATP energy. So basic concept is it only produce 2 ATP of energy. Okay, so in the presence of oxygen the respiration is done that produce 38 ATP of respiration, but in anaerobic respiration it only produce 2 ATP of respiration, 2 ATP of energy, not respiration. Now there are two types of anaerobic respiration. First, alcoholic fermentation. An incomplete breakdown of sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide to release energy is called alcoholic fermentation. This process occurs mainly in yeast, which is used to produce beer, wine, cheese, etc., and it is summarized as glucose is converted into pyruvate and plus energy, and then this pyruvate and energy converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and 2 ATP of energy. So basically alcoholic fermentation is a process in which incomplete breakdown of sugar and that converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide to release energy. Okay, now let us talk about lactic acid fermentation, which occur in our body. It is a process of incomplete breakdown of sugar into lactic acid and energy in some bacteria. In yogurt, some bacteria causes milk to turn sour, and these bacteria feed on sugar and break into lactic acid. In human muscles, during vigorous physical exercise, glucose is metabolized to form lactic acid. The accumulation of lactic acid causes fatigue and muscle cramp after prolonged exercise. It can be summarized as whatever the glucose present in our body that broken down into pyruvate plus energy and lack of oxygen, the muscle cells respire it, okay, anaerobically and produce lactic acid, 2 mole of lactic acid and 2 ATP of energy. Okay, so this 2 ATP of energy gives extra energy during vigorous physical exercises or physical activities, and this lactic acid produce cramp on your muscle. Okay, the overall process of breakdown of glucose in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration are done. Okay, you can also summarize it, whatever the glucose present in our body after breaking down of food, we produce glucose, and that glucose converted into pyruvate in cytoplasm plus energy, and this pyruvate converted into energy in 3 ways. First, absence of oxygen, second, lack of oxygen, and third, presence of oxygen. So there are the 3 ways by which this pyruvate converted into energy. First, absence of oxygen, second, lack of oxygen, third, presence of oxygen. Okay, absence of oxygen done in yeast, lack of oxygen done in our muscle cell, and presence of oxygen done in mitochondria. Okay,